everyone, welcome to AQCESSRAMP. For today's short video, we will be going over the program settings and the properties function of AQCESSRAMP. Okay, so when you start up AQCESSRAMP, you'll be provided with the toolbar, and on the very left side we have program settings. So program settings in here is where the users are able to select their drawing unit for their design file, whether imperial or metric. They can also view the design guidelines available to them and clear the list and only select the ones they wish to see later on during the design section of the software. So this is extremely helpful because later on during the design guidelines, or when you're generating your ramp, when you're selecting your design guidelines, you can reduce the number of design guidelines you're seeing, which will help not confuse the users. We also have a hint for the user to use. We have the licensing information for your copy of the software. We have contact information for Transoft Solutions. Okay. Next we are going to go into the properties. So in properties is where the users are able to set the levels or layers of each of the elements that's generated by the software. The user is also able to specify the colors and line styles and transparency of each of the elements, including the annotations as well for elevations and the slopes. So this is extremely useful for CAD managers because this way they can actually ensure that every user of the software within the company have the exact same colors, line styles, levels, and layers for their curve ramp designs. So once you're done setting your program settings, you can save it so that the software will assume that's a new default, and anytime you change the properties settings, you can reset it to the default or the previously saved state. Of course, you can also extract the properties file, hand it off to another user, and let them load the exact same property settings into their workstation. So this is what I mean by it is useful for CAD managers to be able to govern the settings. Okay. Thank you very much for listening in today's video.